welcome back to Vlogmas. This morning I am getting ready to go to a cute little coffee shop nearby. I wanted to try to shoot the look I'm wearing right now, which I will give you an OOTD, of course. I wanted to take you through my little makeup routine because I feel like I don't do that very often. I know that a lot of people like it. Ignore the huge mess behind me. You will see that in another video. Today I will be cleaning a lot after shooting content. I'm using the new Glossier birthday balm. You probably saw this in another Vlogmas video. Obsessed with this. I use the baby skin primer. I really like this one by Maybelline. Usually use the Professional. This one, it's so expensive, so I try to only use it when there's special occasions or my makeup needs to be like really good in person. Otherwise, this one suffices. I think this is a pretty good dupe. I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Warm. I always use the hydrating one because my skin is pretty dry. I was sent this Sephora brush. It's a Pro Foundation 64 brush and it was so good. Like, I'm obsessed with this. I use this brush constantly. I'm obsessed with it. Such good quality. So happy they sent this to me. I worked with Merit a few times. I really love their products. They're like a clean beauty company. But this is their little cheek blush. It's in the shade Cheeky. I like to put that on top of my concealer and then under my foundation, and I'll go on top with like a powder blush. I was thinking about doing like an in-depth holiday makeup routine for Vlogmas, so let me know down below if you guys want to see that. I was thinking about filming that sometime soon. The foundation I've always used is matte poreless Maybelline Fit Me one. I range in the shades, depends on like if I'm self-tanned or not. Right now I'm not, so I'm using shade 112 Natural Ivory. I always blend it down my neck, make sure it matches, you know. I just find this foundation to be like a great one for the price. I know my skin is okay with it because I have very sensitive skin. With my Sephora points, I was able to get this tiny little Rare Beauty blush, the liquid one in the shade Encourage. And I have been absolutely obsessed with this so much that I feel like I need to go to Sephora and buy all of the Rare Beauty blushes. Also really want to try the Benetint by Benefit. I feel like that would be a really good blush to get. And I think it's also like a lip stain. I think blush is like one of my favorite things. I'm doing more of a quick routine right now just because I'm in a little bit of a rush as usual. I just posted my reel for the day. I always post at 11:30 EST. I need to go shoot this content at the coffee shop before they close at 3, so trying to go sooner than later. This, by the way, is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel. It's in the shade Blondie Brows. I think it's just literally perfect shade for my eyebrows. I'm going in with this Merit lip oil. Love this stuff. This is in the shade Jetty. Tarte has a holiday set right now at Sephora where you get 3 of these for like $40 or something. And they're just a highlight, blush, and bronzer in each one, but they're all like a little bit different shades. I literally love these. I love Tarte. I think they're definitely one of my favorite brands when it comes to makeup. I think if I had to choose like top 3, it would be Tarte, Too Faced, and Benefit. I love Lancome as well though. Lancome is really good. It's just super expensive, to be honest. I was also recently sent this Huda Beauty baking powder in banana bread, and it smells so good, like so fresh, so good. It's so light, and you're supposed to bake with it, which I don't really do that. I just kind of like set a little bit here and there because my face is a little bit dry already, which I love this powder for because it's not super drying to the skin. It kind of sets everything in place. It's very finely milled. I love that about it. I have this set of black brushes. I think there's like a few more that come with it, but these were in an Amazon set and it was like $7 for all of them, and you also get eyeshadow brushes and everything, so definitely worth it. Even comes with a cute little like holder for them. I have it linked on my storefront, so go ahead and check that out. That is always linked in my description if you are ever wondering. Do get a commission if you buy anything using my link. If you do shop through that link, I really appreciate that. It's one of the best ways to support me. I do have a few of these brushes too. These are Real Techniques brushes. I do use this sponge from them all the time too. I love this nose contour brush. It looks just like this, and I just kind of do my contour with it every single day. I always do like a little rounded tip, and I bring the bridge of my nose closer together so it looks like a smaller nose. Just gonna go in and kind of deepen my contour. Anytime I'm taking pictures, I kind of layer on the makeup because the camera really does like not show up most of the makeup you're wearing, so I just kind of go all in. I'm gonna use one of these blushes here. I'm gonna use the one here, but I really like this pink. And then last, I'm just gonna pick up the highlight in this palette here. This one's super cute, like light colors, perfect for winter, honestly, because I'm usually pretty pale in the winter, but I do like to keep up with my self tan. I just look better tan. Now we're gonna move on to eyes quick, and then lips, and then we'll be done. I have one particular eyeshadow palette that I'm obsessed with, and I've been obsessed with for years. It's the Tartelette and Bloom palette. I love these specific shades here, the Jet Setter shade, and then this Funny Girl shade. The Funny Girl shade's like a champagne-y, light, like shimmery color that I love to just put on for like a lighter look. And I love the Jet Setter for like a darker look, but it's not too dark. Like, it just looks really good. I honestly don't know where this brush is from, but I use it constantly. They're BH Cosmetics. Yeah, there you go. I love their brushes as well. So the Real Techniques, BH Cosmetics, and the Sephora brushes, also Morphe brushes, are really good as well. I am gonna go for the Jet Setter look today, the little bit of a darker look, just because it does match kind of like the colors I'm wearing today. I'm just gonna kind of blend it out, and we can fix it with concealer and make it look a little bit better. I forgot to mention, most of the time I do fill in my brows with this pencil from Ulta Beauty in Taupe. I just kind of fill in like the sparse areas. It's super natural looking, but it gives it some more shape. I'm gonna take that Funny Girl shade, that shimmery one, and just put it kind of in my inner corner here. You can kind of see that pop of highlight there with this little brush from BH Cosmetics. So I don't know why I keep skipping back to the brows, but I do have this e.l.f. clear setting gel, and I love to just put that in there to make them stay in place, and it works so well. It's like $3, definitely buy that. My ultimate favorite liquid eyeliner is the Lancome one. It is the Ultra Precise Waterproof Liner. So good. Was sent this Benefit Fan Fest mascara, and I'm obsessed with it. I have two other favorites right now. Lancome Hypnose Drama, I don't know if I'm saying that right, and then the Superhero by IT Cosmetics. These two have always been my favorites. This one was just recently came out, and I was sent it as PR, and it is definitely up there with the others, so definitely recommend that. I'm gonna prime my lashes with the Voluminous Base by L'Oreal, which, if you did not know, L'Oreal and Lancome are owned by the same company, so it's pretty much a dupe for the Lancome one. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a setting spray. This is the NYX Dewy Finish Spray. Loving this one. I think this one's really good. I've been actually trying a lot of different setting sprays, and I don't know which one's my favorite right now. If you have any good recommendations for setting spray, let me know. Okay, last thing we need to do is lips. Sharpen my pencil, but this is the Essence Soft and Precise Lip Pencil in the shade My Choice 101. It is my favorite color. It's like this beautiful pink mauve-y color. Okay, so overline the lips. Now I'm going in with the Essence Lipstick in Freaky #1. I always feel like I still need a good gloss on top of everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a gloss. Let's try this Maybelline one. Whenever I'm completely done with my makeup, like I am right now, I look at my face and I'm like, what is this missing? What do I need more of? And it's usually blush or contour or both. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more blush. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. I really like a heavy blush look, especially like the winter time, because it just looks like, oh, I'm cold, like cold girl makeup aesthetic, you know? I'm going to throw on some jewelry, figure out my hair, and then I will come back to you, give you a full OOTD, and then we're gonna head over to Plants and Coffee. Okay guys, I put in these earrings that I got from Temu. Aren't they so cute? They're just little studs. I put my hair in a half up, half down with these bows that I got. A pack of a bunch from TikTok shop. It came in black and cream. Get 2 each, so. And I think I'm ready. I just wanted to keep my hair, you know, natural. I didn't put any extensions in or anything. Just wanted to show you I have a little tennis bracelet from Ryan that I'm obsessed with. Rings, you know, but I think I'm ready to go. Let me go give you an OOTD. And also, I'm gonna spray on my favorite new body spray ever, the Sol de Janeiro 71. For the messy background that is to be dealt with when I get home. This is the little outfit. I have Uggs, jeans, this cute little pullover, and a little puffer. I did tuck this in like under my bra and kind of looks cropped now, but I'm obsessed. I kind of need to find a purse or something to go with. I'm gonna try to find one, and I think I know the perfect one. Like, look at how perfect this is with like the bow and everything, and it matches like the cream. Oh yes. Here is a better look and better lighting of everything, but I literally love how this came together, and I can't believe how perfect this little purse is with this look. I forgot I even had this. We're gonna go to Plants and Coffee, get a drink or whatever, take some photos. It is raining outside, which really sucks. Left Plants and Coffee. It is so cute in there. It literally is giving like Christmas Hallmark movie, and I am in love with it. We're gonna go home, and I think we're gonna do some chores. I know we have to put laundry away, empty some garbages, vacuum, dishes, like all of the not fun stuff. But it is a Sunday reset, so we're going to be Sunday resetting, and I'm gonna change into comfortable clothes that I don't mind getting dirty. So Ryan is downstairs with Cooper because poor Cooper has been having bellyache for the past 2 days now, so I need to boil him some chicken and noodles. Rudy and I are finishing putting the laundry away. So here's the pile, and my mom did FaceTime me, so I was talking to her for a little bit while I was folding, which was nice. But I need to put the stuff away. I think after that I'm going to vacuum up here. I am cooking white rice noodles and chicken. I'm boiling it together in a pot for Cooper. Hopefully that helps his little belly. Making that, and then I think I'm gonna make Ryan and I chicken parm. Also editing Vlogmas Day 4 right now, which is decorating for Christmas, so you do not want to miss that if you haven't seen it already. Okay, I am now making dinner for Ryan and I. It's going to be chicken parm. And if you didn't know, I'm on the SCD diet, which stands for Specific Carbohydrate Diet. And it is specifically for people with Crohn's and a few other autoimmune diseases. I'm using my favorite type of chicken, which is boneless chicken thighs. They get so good. First, I'm gonna take the chicken. I'm gonna season it with onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and that's it. Dip them in the egg. I am currently using this little food processor to chop up pork rinds, which I just got these from Wegmans, but you can get these from like anywhere. I'm just going to coat them in egg and then pat them into the pork rinds, which gives them a really good crunch. I air fry them at 400 for 20 minutes. About 5 minutes before it's done, I'm going to top each chicken with some homemade sauce that my dad made. Then I'm gonna put some cheese on top. That is what we're doing. I am going to show you the finished product when I'm done, but I'm so hungry, so excited for this, and then I think I'll be ending off the night by editing. Okay guys, I'm coming at you with a mini haul. Brian and I just went to the Sephora in the Kohl's because I've been really itching to get a full size of the Rare Beauty blush. The color Believe, because they were literally out of like every color except for this color. This is just like a darker one. I literally just put it on. I did like a little try on my TikTok if you guys want to go follow me on there. Love this. I do have another shade that I got with my Sephora points. It's like a little tiny mini one. So I'm going to film another TikTok soon doing like a shade comparison, but I also got some stuff in the Target dollar section that is just perfect for me. If you guys know anything about me, you know I love organization and like productivity kind of things. This is all stuff that goes with that. So these two notebooks were $3 each. Really cute, and they have different like setups in them. This one says overthinking. I don't know if you guys can you see it where it says overthinking on it? Hard to see. I love how it has this little strap as well. Set up this way. It says top 3 goals, things to do, habits, and then notes and thoughts. This side of the page, it does have like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, weekend, so that you can write down anything that you want to get done or the goals you have for each day, whatever. This one says trying to get my life together 1 week at a time, and that is so me. I also love this color combo. This one is set up the same way over on this side where it has like all of the days of the week. Also says notes from meetings that could have been an email, and then a to-do checklist. So it's definitely more open for you rather than having like a set goals, habits, whatever. I like both of the setups of them, and I think I could use them for different reasons. Got this for $1. It's this little like peel off note list thing. Did get these 2 pads where you literally just like peel off a page. They were each $1, so I thought that was really great. Another glorious week ruined by responsibilities. And you get to put like what week it is, and then it gives you Monday through the weekend and a little checklist on the side, which is super nice. You can kind of put all of your main thoughts on here. This one is a meal planner, which I need to get better at because I feel like I'm always scrambling. Oh, what should I make? Because I'm too busy editing, drafting, filming, doing like professional career type of things. So like this is so nice to be able to sit down once a week and literally write out what my meals are going to be. And if you guys are new here, I'm on a very strict diet, so I have to be careful with what I eat, and it's for my health. This just gives you a little shopping list on the side, and then it gives you breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then a snack, and then it gives you like the days of the weeks, and then tear it off when you're done. Lastly, got this sticker pack for the planners, and again, it only was $1. I thought that would be a cute little addition.